Tired of call recordings feeling like a black box? We're breaking down exactly how to unlock, access, and listen to those valuable Twilio call recordings. First, log into your Twilio account and navigate to the call log section. This is where all the magic starts, so find it in the left-hand menu or search bar. Find the specific call you want to review and click on it. Look for the recording icon, usually a small microphone or play button, next to the call details. If the call was recorded, you'll see it right there. Now, locate the recording URL field. This is the golden ticket. Copy this URL. It points directly to the audio file of your call recording. Paste the recording URL into your web browser's address bar and hit enter. This should initiate playback directly in your browser, allowing you to listen to the call. For more control, you can embed the recording URL into a simple HTML audio player on your own website or application. This lets you create custom playback interfaces. To manage recordings long-term, consider storing them in a secure cloud storage service. This provides backups and makes recordings accessible for quality assurance, compliance, or data analysis. You can use the information gleaned from call recordings to train agents, improve customer service, and ensure compliance. Start unlocking the power of your call recordings today.